Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can connect your YouTube channel with other application. You can easily use both application at the same time. Alright, so first of all click on the setting which is on top right corner. So simply tap on it. Then you have to scroll up. You have seen on the screen that is connected app. Simply click on it, connected app. Then after that you can see on the screen there are many applications uh, that YouTube allow to connect. So you can simply connect with this, right? So you have to tap on connect. Then after that you have the access to connect with other application, right? So if you have any questions you can comment down. I will definitely help you out. So thank you so much, all the very best. Let's talk about another trick in another video. And then keep learning and keep growing with RJ. Thank you so much and subscribe for more such type of videos.